Wow, what's up, guys? Yes, finally we get some catfish. Look at how beautiful they are. Catfish. Wow. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. This is catfish, y'all. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Wow. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I love it. Mm. Wow. This is catfish, guys. I love catfish, guys. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Look. Whoa. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Whoa. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. Mmm. 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 Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Guys, I love it. Wow. I put the go slow. Wow. Mmm. God. Wow. I love it. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Whoa. Guys. Guys, that's a very beautiful meal. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming. I'm working on my album. I have car show coming. You know what I'm saying? I have food vlog coming, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Another. Mm. Mm. Wow. Got that bowl right here. Wow. Mm. Mm. Whoa. I love it, guys. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming out. There's a lot of stuff coming out, guys. Got the bowl right here. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming out. I'm working hard for you guys. Yeah. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and show me some love. You know what I'm saying? Yep. That was a good meal, man. That is my first time I tried Charlie seafood. That is the first time I tried that place. I really like it though. It's different from the other ones. Yeah, I can feel it though. I can taste it too. It's different. This is my first time I tried that place, and I really like it. I enjoy it. Yeah. I like fish, man. I like the way, you know, I spend a lot of time in Haiti and catfish. I like the way they fry the fish, like the sea fish. You know what I'm saying? I like the way they do it. Yeah, those kind of fish is different for me. Catfish, that's a different thing. Yeah, but I like it. They fry it just like chicken. I really love it though. It's just different. I like to try different things. That's why I'm gonna make sure I go to a lot of places in here. You know what I'm saying? All the like small restaurant. I'm gonna make sure I cover all of it for y'all guys. Like, I know a lot of good chicken spot in here. Yeah, I'm gonna go to all the chicken spot. You know what I'm saying? Show you some good fried chicken. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do that. Yep. So guys, you know, I'm gonna say thank you so very much, and I'll see you in the next one. We at the park right now walking around. A lot of people, they walking the dogs, you know. That park is in a good neighborhood, man. One of the richest neighborhoods in the town. You know what I'm saying? In Hamburg. I'm in Hamburg right now. That neighborhood is one of the richest. A lot of big houses. You know what I'm saying? Some people, they have horses in the back. Lamborghini in the driveway. You know, good life, man. That's one of the richest neighborhoods in that town. Yeah. Alright guys, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. I don't want to hold you too long. Ching 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 chong. Woo! Ching 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 chong. Woo! Ching 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 chong. Woo! Now look, I see him yet. I done that. Peace.